You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this surname. If you want to learn more confusing names and vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons of pronunciations for you coming up. So how do you pronounce this surname? There's two different ways of pronouncing it. One is as Walz, okay. That's particularly the pronunciation that is used in the UK, British English pronunciation, or the one that's more used in the US, including for the VP designated by Kamala Harris, or potential VP. The pronunciation here is as Walz, okay, as in Tim Walz, but some pronounce it as Waltz as well. Walz or Waltz. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.